Meaning of fawn.
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 Fawn. Fawn is a verb that means to exhibit excessive friendliness or flattery towards someone, often in a servile manner. It can also refer to the act of showing affection or attention in an obsequious way. The term is often used in a negative context, implying insincerity or manipulation. When someone fawns over another person, they are trying to win their favor or gain some sort of advantage from them. In essence, fawning behavior is seen as disingenuous and untrustworthy by many people.